Today we are introducing you Honeywell STT850 temperature transmitter calibration procedure. Communication protocol is HART protocol. The instrumental range is -50 to 50 degree. Minimum required equipment 24 volt power supply, 250 ohms resistance, one reference multimeter, one field communicator and one multifunction calibrator. First select the HART menu. Select the HART menu. Online, select as this is online menu. Select the device setup number 3. Select it. Device setup menus. First we are selecting the calibration menu number 2. Okay, calibration menu is 3 option is there. PV level options, calibration method and sensor configuration. First we are doing for the DA trim calibration. Select the second menu and select the DA trim second. Okay, remove the automatic control, then press OK. Okay, connect to the reference multimeter. Reference multimeter already connected. Then press OK. Okay, set the device value, output is showing 4, then OK. Now output is showing 4.005 milliamps. Same reading we are insert the transmitter 4.005. Then OK. Okay, now reference value and the both are is equal, then press yes and enter. Okay, next set the field value in the 20 milliamps, then OK. Now reference multimeter is showing 20.005 milliamps. Same value we are entering the communicator 20.00. Then enter. Now output value equal in the reference value. Both are the same. Okay, then press enter. Okay, then press OK. Back menu. This is the DA trim calibration procedure. Next we are doing the sensor 1 calibrations. Select the number 3, then press enter. Okay, that is 5 option is there. One sensor 1 URV corrected. Next sensor 2 URV corrected. Next sensor 1 reset. Next correct LRV URV records. Third and fourth, fifth, sixth and sixth. Third, fourth, fifth and sixth. That is recording parameters. Third is resetting parameters. First we are doing the second parameters. LRV corrected. Second one. Then OK. Okay. Then OK. Automatic mode. Okay, put the date 01/01/26, 01/01/26. Then enter. That's the timer. Time is 1 hour. Okay, enter. That's the second minute. Then enter. Okay, now sensor 1 LRV temperature. Now multifunction already we are applied minus 50 degree LRV value. Transmitter lower value is minus 50 degree. Then press OK. Okay, press temperature is stable. Now temperature is stable. Then press OK. Now transmitter getting one alarm. Applied to high process value. Okay, next we are changing the alarm mode. This alarm removing procedure. Then press OK. About. Okay, then press OK. Back. Next we are checking the basic setup, device informations, and check the calibration point is there. LRVRE. First we are checking the LRVRE points. That is working fine. Next we are checking the calibration point. Okay, calibration point is available. Sensor number 8. Enter. Then change sensor 1 area number 2 and sensor 1 configurations number 1 and check the LRV URV values. LRV URV values and this is a calibration point. This is actually manufacturer wrongly assigned the calibration point. Next we are changing the calibration point from here minus 50 degree. Okay, upper range calibration point is 50 degree. Then press enter and send. Okay, back to home page and next we are doing the calibration device setup and the calibration menu and the sensor 1 calibration and the second one sensor corrupted and then press OK. Date is correct, time is correct, minute is correct. Okay, applied the sensor 1 that is already applied. Then press OK and stable the temperature. Then press OK. Now calibration 0 calibration is completed. Next we are checking the instrument display. Instrument display is showing minus 14 and 50 degree. The reference multimeter also showing the 4.002 milliamps DC. Then press OK. Then press OK. Next we are doing the upper sensor trim. First enter the value 50 degree 50. Enter. Now corresponding resistance 119.40 ohms. Transmitter display showing error 50.05 degree. Reference multimeter also showing the error 20.006 milliamps DC. Okay, next we are remove the error. Select the sensor 1 URV calibrations. Okay, select 1, then OK. Date, timer, okay. Apply the URV temperature. URV temperature is 50 degree. We are already simulated the 50 degree. Okay, then press OK. Press OK. The temperature is suitable. Now stable temperature. Now output reference is showing 19.998 milliamps DC. Transmitter display is showing 49.99 degree. Okay, then press OK. Automatic controller, then OK. Home menu. Yes. Check the value. Okay, now PV value showing the 50 degree, percentage showing 99.99 percentage, loop current is showing 19.999 milliamps DC. Now it's 20 already reached. This is a normal calibration procedure for Honeywell STT 850 HART protocol temperature transmitter calibration scenario.